Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're starting an online store with Wix, but you're not quite sure how to set up shipping and tax properly, don't worry, you're in the right spot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to configure shipping rates and tax settings in your Wix store so you can sell with confidence and avoid common headaches down the road. Let's dive in. So, first things first. You'll need to log into your Wix account. Just head over to wix.com and enter your credentials. If you've got more than one website, make sure you select the one that's set up as your online shop. This is an important step. It'll ensure any changes you make are applied to the right site. Think of it like double-checking which kitchen you're cooking in before you start prepping the ingredients. Once you're inside your site dashboard, look for the Settings option. You'll find it in the main menu, usually on the left side of the screen. Click on Settings, and from there, search for the area labeled Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. This is your command center for all things delivery related. Taking a moment here to familiarize yourself with this panel pays off. This is where you'll be coming back anytime you want to adjust how your products get from you to your customers. Let's talk about shipping rates. In this section, you can adjust or set up your shipping fees for different regions, carriers, or delivery speeds. Maybe you want to offer free shipping locally but charge differently for international orders. Or perhaps you want to set flat rates or pass the carrier's actual rates to your customers. You might also want to offer expedited shipping options for impatient shoppers. This flexibility lets you not just match your expenses, but also compete with other stores or incentivize larger orders. Take your time here. Think about your products, your margin, and what makes sense for your customers. If calculating costs seems tricky right now, it's absolutely okay to start simple and adjust as you learn what works. Now, let's switch gears and set up your tax rates. To do this, you'll need to head back to the Settings area, then look for the Tax section. Taxes can feel intimidating, but Wix provides a straightforward way to handle them. Inside the tax settings, you'll have the option to add locations. This means you can specify different tax rates depending on where your customers live or where your store is registered. This step is especially crucial if you sell internationally or if your region has variable tax laws for products and services. For example, let's say you want to set up tax rates for Afghanistan. You'll select Afghanistan as the location, and then you'll see options to configure separate tax rates for products, services, cancellations, and even shipping. Here's how you might set it. Maybe your products have a 25% tax. Your services are taxed at 20%, cancellations at 15%, and shipping at 3%. These values are just examples, of course. Always check your region's laws to stay compliant. Once you've entered the right figures, hit Save. That's really all it takes. You've now customized your store's tax rates, and Wix will automatically calculate these amounts on your orders moving forward. And that's it. Setting up shipping and tax in Wix is very manageable once you know where to look and what to adjust. If you make a mistake or want to tweak things later, you can always come back and change your settings. The platform is super forgiving. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you out, give it a thumbs up on us, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments. I read every message and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials that'll help your online business succeed. Catch you next time.